Yeah. So this is the hair scrub I made by myself. Mm? It contains no, I just put it. It's not this product inside there. Let me remove this because it's only this can I have to put it inside. I think I have made it now for more than sweet. Be using it for more than 1 year. It's very good, guys. I just okay. I will remove it with a nail remover so that no, I have to put it back later when I because it's just so it's for it's with many what they call it herbs here for the hair. So that's what I just make by myself that I'm using to with rosemary, bay leaf. Welcome to my channel, Sandra. Hey, how are you, Sandra? How are you? Happy weekend. Thank you for joining. Bay leaf, rosemary, oregano. In short, all the things I'm using in my kitchen to cook. I just all these things I brought them together. I leave it, I blend it, and add avocado oil, mix it with avocado oil and virgin olive oil. Leave it for about 1 month inside to everything to infuse, for the herbs to infuse with the oil, mint leaf, all those kind of things. Then after I think I just leave it for full 3 months. Everything, then the color become like this. Then I have to strain it with a strainer. Then add essential oil. Beautiful Edu. Yes, thank you so much, Sandra. Essential oil, mint essential oil, sandalwood, what again? Many, about three type of essential mix it together. Then that's what I'm using for my hair, and it's really making my hair to grow because I have a kind of hair it doesn't